In this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to send your case that you have self-planned for your patient, and now you're looking to do a refinement and send that to the uAssist team. First, you want to open up your software. Then you want to find your patient, whether you're searching for it or you see it in the list. You're going to highlight that patient and either click Open or left double click to open that case. Once your case is completely open, you're going to just left click on the Edit button up here in the upper left-hand corner. Next, you're going to want to click the uAssist button. It's going to let you know that it's going to open the case up in the uDesign cloud. It will instruct you to close the case first. Then you will see a window pop up with your patient's treatment plan. Once the case is open, it's going to ask you if you'd like to continue your plan with the existing scan, if the patient is tracking well, or if you want to submit a refinement and upload a new scan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit the refinement. Then you want to make sure that you have your scans exported into a folder, and then you can just simply drop and drag into this window. Then you're going to hit Next. If you have photos and x-rays that are updated, or you'd like to update the photos for the refinement, you may do so here. But if you've already submitted them and uploaded them into the case, you do not have to do that again. You're going to hit the Next button. Now this is going to go through your course refinement prescription. It's going to ask you various questions if you want to remove the scan attachments, if you want to add additional attachments if needed, which aligner the patient may have left off on, and then what your estimated treatment time would be for this patient. You also can decide if you're going to submit the case for refinement for upper and lower, or if the patient is finished with the opposite arch, you can ask for a retainer only. Don't forget to also add in there if the patient does have a lingual bar that needs to be covered. If you are going to do a retainer, that you indicate that here. Which chief the treatment planning team needs to address, class correction if needed, midline correction if needed, and crossbite correction if needed. They will also ask you if you need a Pontic or eruption dome for your case. Because this case has never been submitted to the uAssist team, it will ask you to select one of your SmartRx templates. In the dropdown, these will already be pre-filled out when you set up your cloud account. I'm going to choose the Deep Bite protocol, and you will see that it fills everything in for me. I can go ahead and edit this information if I don't need all of these things to be done for this specific case. And then I can put any case-specific instructions in here for the team. If I do not have any case-specific instructions for them, I can simply just put NA if all of the information is correct up here for this case. I'm going to then go into my review. This is going to allow you to review the information that you've entered into the system, and then you can simply click Submit to uAssist. Once submitted to the uAssist team, you will get this message and it will ask you to close the case. Everything has been saved, and you can close your browser. To assure that the case has been submitted, you can pull it up here in your browser, searching for it with your specific name, and you will see that we have submitted the case successfully to the uAssist team.